Welcome to Chile, a land of extremes and endless horizons, where deserts meet glaciers, and mountains rise like guardians of time, stretching like a silver ribbon along the western edge of South America. Chile is a country born from contrasts, forged by fire, shaped by wind, and carved by ice. It is a land where the world feels alive, where every horizon tells a different story. In the north lies the Atacama Desert, a place so dry that it seems untouched by time. Yet here, life endures, in salt flats that gleam like mirrors beneath the burning sun, and in valleys painted with crimson, copper, and gold. The Moon Valley glows like another planet, its ridges sculpted by centuries of silence. When night falls, the desert reveals one of Earth's clearest skies, where millions of stars burn like diamonds in infinity. Here, silence has a sound, and stillness becomes a form of magic. Travel south, and the land begins to breathe again. The central valleys stretch between the Andes and the Pacific, a patchwork of green hills, rivers, and quiet forests. The snow-capped Andes stand like ancient guardians, their reflections shimmering in hidden lakes. Volcanoes rise like watchtowers of fire, their peaks crowned with smoke and ice. In this region, the wind carries whispers of ocean and pine, and the rhythm of nature beats in every breath. Further south lies Patagonia, a wilderness at the edge of the world. Here, the mountains seem endless, and the sky feels impossibly wide. Glaciers flow through valleys like frozen rivers, their blue hearts glowing in the sun. Turquoise lakes mirror peaks older than memory, and the Torres del Paine rise like monuments to eternity. Each gust of wind carries a story. Each echo feels like the heartbeat of the earth itself. This is where the spirit finds its freedom, untamed, infinite, and pure. In the far south, the land dissolves into fjords and icy channels. Whales glide through the misty waters. Seabirds dance in the wind, and the air smells of salt, snow, and peace. This is nature in its most sacred form, untouched, eternal, alive. It is a world that reminds you how small, Yet how deeply connected we are. To the west, the mighty Pacific stretches beyond imagination. Waves crash against volcanic cliffs, their voices echoing across centuries. Far away, Rapa Nui Easter Island rests like a whisper of mystery in the ocean. The Moai statues stand watch over the sea, their stone faces turned toward the horizon. They are the memory of an ancient people, guardians of a culture carved in silence and stone. Across Chile, life flows in harmony with the land. Villages nestle beneath towering peaks. Shepherds lead their flocks through emerald valleys, and fishermen sail beneath pink skies at dawn. The people of Chile carry the calm strength of their land, resilient, warm, and humble. They live close to the earth, guided by its rhythm, shaped by its grace. And when night falls, the Andes turn to shadow, and the stars return to crown the sky. The air grows still, and somewhere, deep within the mountains, a river murmurs softly in the dark. In Chile, nature is not a backdrop. It is the heartbeat of existence. Every river, every stone, every gust of wind tells a truth older than time. This is Chile, a land of wild beauty and endless silence, a place where the world feels reborn with every sunrise, where earth and sky, mountain and sea come together in harmony, and where every horizon calls the soul to wander, to listen, and to simply be.